Hello everyone, welcome back to Real Estate Insights. Today, we are thrilled to bring you an exclusive look at one of Pune's most exciting residential projects, Rohan Ekam Phase 1 by Rohan Builders and Developers Private Limited. Located in the vibrant neighborhood of Balewadi, Pune, this project promises a lifestyle of luxury, convenience, and community spirit. Rohan Ekam is located in Balewadi, part of Pune's Western Metropolitan Corridor. Balewadi is one of the most sought-after residential suburban towns in Pune. It is home to prominent education hubs, entertainment zones, and healthcare facilities. Balewadi is also well connected to the IT hub of Hinjewadi, making it an ideal location for professionals. Rohan Ekam is adjacent to a proposed 24-meter DP road and lies on the banks of the peaceful Mula Mutha River. The current approach is via a 12-meter wide road on the western side of the plot. The site is accessible from various prime locations in the city. To reach Rohan Ekam from Bhujbal Chowk, continue on the Bangalore-Mumbai highway, take a left onto the Midcon International School Road and then take another left to reach Rohan Ekam. Rohan Ekam Phase 1 is a luxurious residential development that features an impressive array of living options. The project includes beautifully designed 2, 3, and 4 BHK apartments spread across 28 floors. With a total sanctioned FSI of 63,553 square meters and a total land area of 3,355 square meters, the project ensures ample space and comfort for its residents. The apartment sizes range from 645 to 1,923 square feet, catering to various lifestyle needs. Scheduled for completion in December 2028, Rohan Ekam Phase 1 promises to be a landmark in Pune's residential landscape. Let's take a virtual tour of Rohan Ekam Phase 1 to see what sets it apart from other residential projects. As you step into the development, you'll be greeted by stylish interiors, spacious balconies, and lush landscaped gardens. The project is designed to offer a serene oasis amidst the bustling city life, providing residents with the perfect blend of tranquility and urban convenience. At Rohan Ekam Phase 1, it's not just about owning a home, it's about becoming part of a vibrant community. The project boasts a wide range of amenities designed to enhance the quality of life for its residents. Whether you're looking to stay fit at the state-of-the-art gymnasium, unwind by the swimming pool, or spend quality time with your family in the landscaped gardens, there's something for everyone. Additionally, the children's play area ensures that your little ones have a safe and fun environment to play and make new friends. But don't just take our word for it. With a Google review rating of 3.7, Rohan Ekam Phase 1 has garnered positive feedback from its residents. Let's hear from some of them. The community here is amazing, and the amenities are top-notch. It's a great place to call home. Behind every great project is a team of dedicated developers. Rohan Builders and Developers Private Limited is renowned for its commitment to quality and excellence. With a track record of delivering successful projects, they bring their expertise and vision to Rohan Ekam Phase 1, ensuring a high standard of living for all residents. As of now, Rohan Ekam Phase 1 is well underway, with the construction progressing as per schedule. The project's timely completion in December 2028 ensures that future residents can look forward to moving into their new homes without delays. The development plans include even more amenities and enhancements, promising a luxurious lifestyle for all. Investing in real estate requires trust and transparency. Rohan Ekam Phase 1 complies with all legal and regulatory requirements, providing peace of mind to investors and homebuyers. The project is registered under RERA registration number P5210005298, ensuring full transparency and peace of mind. In Pune's dynamic real estate market, Rohan Ekam Phase 1 stands out for its prime location, superior amenities, and competitive pricing. It offers a fantastic investment opportunity for those seeking a blend of comfort, convenience, and luxury. With its promising future development plans and high demand, this project is set to be a sought-after residential address in Balewadi, Pune. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for the latest ongoing real estate projects. Thank you.